Yes, welcome to our demonstration video. I'm called Kamunga James. I'm going to take you through the main system components of a solar powered irrigation system and their use, why we need them, and where you install them or where they are located. Yeah, in my background you can see our just installed sprinkler irrigation system, medium sprinklers. There are different types of sprinklers. They also come in different types. We have gear type and we have impact type and other sprinkler types, but those are the two main sprinkler types. So we have installed a fixed sprinkler irrigation system. They are going to be used to irrigate different crops here in one part of Uganda. For privacy of our clients, we may not mention our client unless we get authority from them. So we are going to start with the main system components, then their use. Yeah, maybe before I continue, we have our water source, because in all irrigation systems you will need a water source. Our water source is a drilled deep borehole. We shall see it later. Let me first show you the way we're generating power. So those are our solar panels. We have installed a total of 18 in number. Each panel is 300 watts. So we are generating direct current or solar energy, and it's converted to AC. We are having an AC pump. The reason why you need an AC pump, we are going to see later when we go to inside the pump house. We're also going to see some other components inside. Yes, now from the solar panels we have cables down there. You can see those pipes. Those pipes have cables, electric cables, and the GI pipe you're seeing, or a silver pipe, is a delivery pipe that takes water up to the irrigation system. Let me take you to the pump house. We see the main components there. And so we bring power from the solar panels, passing underground through one of the pipes. And then that power comes through those cables up to some surge protective devices here. And then this is a circuit breaker and a switch. The surge protective devices help to protect electronics in our inverter in case there are surcharges. So this is our inverter. It converts directly the DC current or DC power to AC to be able to run the pump. Yeah, at the moment we are generating a power of approximately 1.6 kilowatt from our panels, out of a maximum of 5.4. So the reason why you need to install, maybe you have to size your system past the actual system requirements or what the pump requires, such that even during cloudy days you can still do the irrigation. So power from the inverter will come through cables up to our water pump. Yeah, this is our surface booster pump. Now on the booster pump we have different components. We have a pressure switch. That's our pressure switch, this black one. Then that is a pressure gauge. The pressure switch helps to switch off the pump automatically, just in case there is a system pressure build up past the set pressure. Let me just demonstrate how it works. So I'm going to increase system pressure by closing, but you have to close slowly. So we set the system pressure to a maximum of 5 bars. So in case all valves are closed, or if less valves are open, the pump will automatically be switched off. Yeah, when the pressure reaches the set maximum pressure, the pump will automatically be switched off. That is to protect the pump from damaging the system components inside, and also prevent bursting of pipes and fittings. So this pipe here collects water from the reservoir tanks. We are going to go outside and see, but I can show it to you. Those are our tanks, but we're going to go outside and see clearly. Yeah, those are our reservoir tanks. We have 2 tanks, each is 10,000 liters. We are pumping water from a deep well, as I mentioned earlier. We shall see the deep well. So here on our suction pipe, or the pipe that takes water from the tanks, we have this pipe, this black pipe. Now this black pipe inside has a wire. This wire connects to a water level switch that we have installed inside the tank. The water level switch switches off the pump automatically through the inverter. That's in case the water level goes past the water level switch. That is to prevent the pump from running dry, to prevent damage of impellers and other system components. This is just a tank base, just to keep the tank stable and also to have the gravity flow. So we have interconnected these tanks. This is the interconnection. The tank empties at the same time or at the same rate, and also fills at the same rate. So this is our inlet. We shall see our water source. This is our inlet. So down there, some distance from here, about 200 meters between the 2 sprinklers, is a walkway where you can easily pass, or maybe have a wheelbarrow when you want to apply fertilizers and the rest. So you may ask why these 2 sprinklers are closed. This is just a valve box, just in case you want to operate this line. You can open it from the valve box, and then you will allow water to go through that lateral. You also have some other sprinklers running down there. Actually, we have 3 lines running. So when we are designing sprinkler irrigation system, just to give you a brief information on how we size and how we space. The spacing depends on the throw radius of the sprinkler and maybe the nozzle we have installed. And then one design consideration is that system should have pressure that the manufacturer will specify, or your pumping system should be able to generate that pressure within that range that is specified by the manufacturer, and also the flow rate. Because in irrigation, the main design consideration is the uniformity and how the water is spread along the length of the sprinkler, such that you don't have non-uniformities whereby some crops grow faster than others. And from a distance, we can also see some solar panels down there. Those generate power to power a solar pump installed down in the well we're going to see. Yeah, here we are having our water source. Those are the panels that generate power that runs a DC pump that we have installed in the well. And we have also connected an earthing and lightning arrestor system, such that our panels or our other system components here are not struck by the lightning effects. So our drilled borehole is down here. So we did a hydrological survey to determine the best drilling point according to geophysics and some other considerations. So this wire takes power to the solar pump we have installed down there, and this is our flush valve in case in the future you need to pick a water sample. Let's see what is happening here. So the pump is currently pumping water up the reservoir tanks we have seen. In case you need more information, actually we can advise at no at no cost, because our main aim is to provide with you a service. So you can reach us via the website, on our website. You can also reach us via email at info@wazengineering.com, or via our website at www.wazengineering.com, or via phone call. Our office line is +256 393 225 452, or you can reach us via our WhatsApp line, or our mobile contact via +256 759 790 556. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. You can still watch our other demo videos about other methods of irrigation, like drip, like movable sprinkler irrigation, like impact sprinkler systems, and other technologies.